Okay. Get it back, Samuel.
I got a video. Did?
Lay down on the floor, let him pull you. Oh, now that I'm videoing it, he don't want to do it.
You're wearing black.
Get it from her. Grab it.
I got it on video though.
Grab it. Grab it. Pull it. Pull it, Samuel. Hold it real tight. Don't let go. Hold it. Hold it real tight. Don't let go. Let it go in there. You broke it, son. You broke it. It's okay.
She's like, I want that.